Hey everyone, by default, once you create a table in Supabase, anyone with your API key could read or change your data, and that's huge security risk. In this video, I will show you how row level security fixes this completely through the dashboard, no coding required. So first, let's understand the row level security. What is a row level security? Row level security, or RLS, is a set of rules you attach directly to your table that control exactly who can see, add, edit, or delete each row of data. Think of it like bouncer standing at your database door. Instead of letting everyone in, it's check every single request and allow only access if that match your role. So what exactly it will do, let's understand simply. For example, we have this user, and this user can have like a sales team, and this user request like view edit own data. So what RLS bouncer will do, it will definitely allow this one. If then we have a user B like a manager, and it also request for the view edit team data, and definitely it have those access, so RLS bouncer will allow this one. But when user C, which is guest, and definitely this user don't have any access, so definitely RLC bouncer will deny this one. So this is the the rule of the RLS securities. It will check which user actually have access, who can see, edit, delete each row, so it will block according to it. So let's go to our dashboard, click on table editor. We have to-do table from earlier. Click on the table settings. You will see a toggle for enable RLS turn on. Once you will click, then you can definitely enable RLS. Currently you can see unrestricted, because RLS is currently disabled, so we can click on RLS and enable for this table. Enable. So now you can click on add policy. Here you can see add policy, and inside this one you can again disable RLS and you can create a policy. Once you will create a policy, here you can see first give you a a policy name, something clear, like user can view their own to-do list. For example, we can type user can view their own to-do list, and table we have selected like to-dos, and next target role, we have this target role, and the target role decide who this policy applied to. Usually like authenticated, meaning only logged in user, so we can select the authentication. And also we have some like a built-in template. We can select some built-in template like enable read access for all user. For example, I can select this one, and once I will select once you will pick or select any template finally, then you can run this command inside this one, just save this policy. Once you will save this policy, it will definitely save this RLS policy for you, and it will create the RLS policy on this table, where each user can only read the table data once they will log in, right? So this is the one of the most important steps before launching any real app, because without RLS your entire database is essential wide open to anyone with your API key. Getting this right early save you from serious security problems later. And that's it. Now you understand how row level security protect your Supabase data, all without writing any code. If this helped, subscribe for more no coding Supabase tutorial, and let me know in the comments which feature you want cover next. See you in the next one.